Let's talk about bacteria and viruses. This is a common problem with businesses. Nobody wants to lose business, but once your reputation is damaged and clients find out that your place is not COVID safe, this information can spread like a virus on social media. Enviro-Master helps keep your employees and customers happy and safe and your brand reputation healthy. Enviro-Master specializes in helping keep gyms, restaurants, offices, retail, automotive, schools and daycare, government, manufacturing, and healthcare companies safe from viruses and keeping their bathrooms clean and hygienic. In addition to common areas, employees and customers use your bathrooms, which become a breeding ground for bacteria and viruses. If these areas are not clean or foul-smelling, customers will not return to your business. We provide touch-free soap and paper towel dispensers for a complete hygienic solution for your company. With Enviro-Master, you can expect to have a fresh and clean environment ready to serve you and your clients. Contact us today for more details.